In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download attachments from Trello cards. Trello is an incredibly popular tool for managing projects, teams, and tasks. Whether you're collaborating with coworkers or organizing personal projects, Trello makes it easy to keep everything in one place. Sometimes you need to download an important file or document attached to a Trello card. If you're not sure how to do that, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently download attachments from Trello cards with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello's website. That's spelled www.trello.com. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen. Next, enter the email address and password associated with your Trello account. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, you may be prompted to complete that step here. Simply follow the instructions provided, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your boards. Now, locate and select the board that contains the card with the attachment you want to download. After opening the board, find the specific card you're looking for and click on it to open the detailed view. This is where all the card's information, including attachments, is displayed. Scroll down slightly until you see the attachment section within the card details. This is where you'll find any files or links that have been added to the card. To interact with a particular attachment, hover your mouse over it. If you're using a touch device, you can tap directly on the attachment instead. Once you've highlighted the attachment, look for a small icon with 3 dots next to it. Click on this 3 dots icon to open a menu of options. From this menu, select the option labeled Download. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to choose a save location for the file. If this happens, simply pick the folder where you want to save the file and confirm. If you aren't prompted to choose a location, the file will typically be saved automatically to your Downloads folder. To find the file, check your computer's Downloads folder or navigate to the location you chose earlier. You can repeat these steps for any additional attachments you need to download. Finally, once the file is downloaded, it's always a good idea to verify that it's working properly. Open the file from its saved location to make sure it downloaded correctly and that you can access its contents without any issues. And that's it. You now know how to download attachments from Trello cards. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.